What's up, Christ and Crafts, and welcome back to another video. Today I just wanted to come on here really quickly to give a little Christmas special and show you guys this new creation I made. As you guys requested, I finally made a reindeer, and this isn't just any reindeer. This is Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, who had a very shiny nose. But in all seriousness, I just wanted to come and show you guys this really quickly. He's got the same hind legs from the guy that we made in The Lion King. I actually didn't have that many pipe cleaners, so I filled in the inside of the belly with the different color pipe cleaners and just wrapped it around for a filler. I got the little double prongs for his hooves. He's got that nice white underbelly, which I show how to make in the box video. And then of course we gotta have that signature red nose with the cartoon eyes and the antlers. But seriously guys, I just wanted to come on here and say thank you so much for such an amazing year. This year we reached 1,000 subscribers and then even surpassed that. I didn't even think that would be possible. And I wouldn't be able to do any of this without you guys because you're my community. And of course, I have to give glory to God because He gave me this special talent so that I can show all of this and teach all of this to you guys. So I just want to say I love you guys, have an amazing new year, and thank you. I pray that you guys go in God's peace and subscribe. I love you guys. See you next year.